brief introduction on my taxi simulator. As you can see here, I have two simulators open up. One I will be logging as a user, the other one I will be logging as a driver. Here presented is a login screen where the user will type in their email and password to log in. If they don't have an account, they can press here to sign up for an account. So I'm using the Google Firebase as my database. So in the database section, I have the users being created by their user ID. Underneath the user ID, I have the account type, the email, and their name. The account type 1 means they're a driver. Type 0 means they are a user. So here I'll log one user in here. And I'll be logging a driver in here. Okay. So in the user interface, this two dots means the location of the driver that's on this map. So in here, he can type where he want to go. For example, this is airport, and we choose the Toronto Pearson International Airport, and we confirm right. So this action will allow the user to find the driver to accept this trip. So in the database, we have this trip being created with the user ID, the destination coordinates, the pickup coordinates, and the status of the trip. So the status of the trip, I have four status. First one is requested, the second one is accepted, and we have in progress and completed. So right now it's at 0, so it means it's being requested. So on the driver side, when I go online, I will be looking for any passengers need a trip in my area. So I go online and we find this trip. So I'll go accept this trip. And here pop up the information for the user. So on the driver side, we can say ask us to move to the passenger, and here's the information about the passenger as its name is tester1. And on the user side, we have this information saying driver is coming, and here's the name of the driver. In this case, it's driver1. And in the database, we can see the state being changed to 1. That means this is being accepted. And now I'm going to go ahead and cancel this trip. So on the driver side, it says trip being canceled. I will press OK, and in the database, we can see that trip information is gone.